Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the hotspot of your Samsung A14. To do the hotspot Wi-Fi, you need to go to the settings here. Now go to the connection, and now mobile hotspot and tethering. Mobile hotspot by enable it by pressing on it, tap it, and voila, you have the name of your hotspot, which means here. You can change it by writing the name of your hotspot and set the password of your connection, and that's it. You can easily connect to your Wi-Fi spot here, and you can disable it fast by this icon, mobile hotspot. Disable it, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!